Hello and welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting this new thing where I'm going to go around the island and just fix things because I'm doing maintenance at the moment, and I think it's quite fun what I do. So today I have a tank to change on the roof, and let's see how that goes. This is gonna be my first video, so I'm going to try my best to film everything and to see how it is going to turn out. Let's go. So this is the tank that we need to remove. So I already drained it. So I need to remove the pipework and remove the tank. It's nasty, very nasty. I didn't really think this through. I should have put a bucket underneath, but I didn't see that it is this much sludge inside of the tank. So now figuring out the way how to clean this so I can put a new one. Okay, that's solid. And just left to plug this one in, and voila, we are ready. You can let the water come in. And okay, so I'm going to end it here because the job is done. The new tank is in, the water is coming, and all of the fittings are in place. We have no leakages nowhere. There is no water leaking from these connections. From this one it won't leak anyway because it doesn't get that far. And all the valves I'm going to open only the last valve I will open when the tank is about this full, so I don't damage the pump. And that would be it. So I don't know how is this video gonna end up, quite honestly, and there was a lot of wind, and I'm hearing I already watched half of it, and I'm hearing a lot of wind noise, but whatever, it's the first video, so like I'm going to give my best to edit it as much as I can to make some sense, but I am definitely going to post it, and I will continue doing these things when I have a fun project like this today. I will try to record and get better at this, whatever, you know, just go with the flow. So this is Dragon, I am signing out, and see you in the next video. Ciao ciao.